Hello folks! Just before the Galaxy Unpacked, a new leak has emerged showcasing the upcoming product listing pages at an online retail website. The listing contains details about the specs, ensuring that no doubt remains in our minds about the new foldable devices. Posted on X, these listings reveal what we already know, that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has larger displays, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset under the hood with 12GB of RAM and a 4400 mAh battery. The handset has a triple camera setup and runs Android 16 out of the box. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 also gets a display upgrade, runs on the Exynos 2500 chipset with 12GB of RAM and has a dual camera setup. It also comes with Android 16 pre-installed. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE specs are detailed as well, though the listing mentions an Exynos 2500 chipset, which may have been a placeholder as it's confirmed that the handset runs on the Exynos 2400. Moreover, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 has just surfaced in a leaked hands-on video, and it's turning heads with a striking new design. Shared initially on X by Andre_Eklino, the footage shows what appears to be a functioning unit, not just a dummy model. The Flip 7's most noticeable upgrade is its outer display. Ditching the Flip 6's folder-style screen, the new version boasts a wraparound 4.1-inch cover screen that curves around the cameras. This major visual shift makes it not only more futuristic, but also more functional, allowing for more widgets and enhanced daytime display options. Another small but important upgrade, the display crease appears less visible, offering a cleaner look and feel. While creases never really disappear entirely on foldables, Samsung seems to have reduced it enough to make a difference. Samsung will unveil new foldable phones at its Unpacked event on July 9th in New York City. The company will also unveil its new wearable devices at the event, so it's going to be packed full of goodies. Speaking of wearables, leaked promotional images have given us a clear look at the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. As expected, both models adopt a new squircle case design, a move that echoes the bold look introduced with last year's Galaxy Watch Ultra. Despite the boxier silhouette, the screens remain reassuringly round, preserving the classic smartwatch display that many users prefer. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic stands out with its signature rotating bezel, now more pronounced with deeper grooves for easier navigation, a nod to traditional watch enthusiasts who appreciate tactile control. Both models feature a redesigned side layout, with the Watch 8 housing two buttons on the right edge, while the Classic gets an additional third button nestled in between. This squircle shape may not win over every fan, but it's likely a trade-off to pack more tech into a compact space, a common theme in recent smartwatch evolution. Internally, the Watch 8 series will be powered by Samsung's Exynos W1000 chipset, the same engine found in the Watch 7. While performance gains might be minimal, the new look and slight battery bump aim to freshen up the experience enough for those considering an upgrade. It's clear Samsung is refining its wearables rather than reinventing them. But for those who love the rotating bezel or want a more spacious chassis, the Watch 8 Classic might just hit the sweet spot. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.